Chef here in one of the kitchens. How's that look? This is some leftover barbecue pork tenderloin, and it's been pan fried with some onions, some cumin powder, as well as some of the smoked chili powder from New Mexico. It's going to be really, really good. Just wanted to share this with you. You can do the pork tenderloin ahead of time. Watch the other recipes to learn about that. And here we go. I got 3 tacos. I'm just going to enjoy some leftovers here and put a little bit of this meat in each one of these shells. Of course, we're going to add a few more ingredients. We've got the lime on the plate there. We've got some of this awesome, this is a garlic marinated coleslaw going on top. If you want that recipe, just subscribe and check out the Chef's Database. There's all kinds of recipes, and there are several coleslaws just like this one on there. Yeah, a little coleslaw. And of course, any really good taco, you got to have some tomato or a little salsa, your choice, right across each one of these like this. All right, yeah, you can tell this is looking like a pretty good meal here. So I'm about to indulge in this, and I just wanted to share it with you, give you some idea of other things you can do with the barbecued pork tenderloin. Oh yeah. And since we're doing this up like Southwestern style, yep, some cilantro. Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be good. Please leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. That's what you're looking for, right? I got some more right here. So if you're looking for this rub, it's available at the sponsor right there, and you can get it. I like to, when I'm cooking pork, I like to rub both sides with this dry rub. As you can see, the pork tenderloin's looking pretty good. Yep, gotta have that. Here we go. Just going to open this up for you to show you what I got going on.